And then the second that happens, I'll probably just come up with this, put two thumbs in, or one thumb in his fucking eye, reverse upside down, so that I can turn.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
If I'm here, and this guy's going to fight me directly, and all of a sudden I do this. See what he's going to do? He's going to turn sideways, and then this. But I'm always like you're always on this shit. Here. See, how's he going to reach out and grab me? Get what I mean? Because the second he does that stuff, it's like you're going to here. And then you're going to come off that.
Well, how else do you?
For all I know, he's a black belt in jiu-jitsu, and within 3 seconds, he's going to have me out of this. So all of a sudden, it goes to here. And the second we're here and I threaten that, I'll probably just do that. And then the second that happens, I'll probably just come up with this, put two thumbs in, or one thumb in his fucking eye, reverse upside down, so that I can turn and keep my thumb in his eye if I want. And then pull my thumb out and I'm off. So like you do this, and it's fake. Which way does he go? Yeah. He wants to go here, I just go like this. You know what I'm saying? He can push hard, and I can just sit. Just come back around, and I'm up here now. Is we'll be here, we'll go here, right? This stuff will come up here. And then we're gonna go here. And then we're gonna go here. And then here. And then all of a sudden, here, back down to here.